Hey, I've been reading about Ford F150 transmission fluid change intervals, and it's a bit confusing. Can you break it down for me?
Absolutely. The interval varies based on the model year. For F-150s from 2000 to 2016, it's recommended to change the fluid every 30,000 to 150,000 miles.
That's a wide range. How do I know when to change it?
Depending on your car's make and how you drive, you might want to change it every 30,000, 60,000, or even 150,000 miles.
Got it. What about service operating conditions?
Great question. If you tow, idle extensively, or venture off-road, consider a change every 30,000 miles.
How about the newer models?
For 2011 and beyond, it's more straightforward. Auto Insider X's new blog the whole topic extensively. It provides exact miles, depending on your transmission type.
Really? That's exactly what I was looking for.
Anytime. You will find the link in the description or bio.
Thanks, I'll be sure to do that.